From playing games to writing code, I balance both passions in a super cool way. Playing games and coding have both offered me great groups of friends, fun, and a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're into games or coding, you're in for a blast. Imagine coding as a means of being creative. It's like painting with a computer. When you code just for fun, it's not about finishing quickly, it's about enjoying the journey. Coding is akin to exploring a new world. It's exciting, and the learning is continuous. It's not solely about the end result, it's about the fascinating things you discover along the way. Consider stumbling upon a coding niche that you're passionate about. You become so engrossed that time slips away, much like when you're absorbed in gaming. Coding enables you to express your creativity, learn, and immerse yourself in a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for coding. Gaming and coding demonstrate how diverse hobbies can bring people together. It's all about exploring new avenues at different stages of your life. Remember, enjoy both games and coding to the fullest. Your journey might inspire others to discover their own passions.